Volkswagen Passat. If you're looking for the oxygen sensor location, there's two of them on this particular model. The first one is located right up there on the top. You can see in the middle, it has an insulated wire going down right to the top of it there. And the second one is actually located all the way down the exhaust, back basically in between the driver and passengers, right on the exhaust here. You can see the wire going up into the undercarriage and the oxygen sensor mounted right in the exhaust pipe. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. Otherwise, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching and good luck with your project.